Okay, 3.31. What is x after following if-else statement? Okay, here. Then use switch statement to rewrite it. Okay, let's look at here. X is 1, is 3. So we are talking about a which is 3 equal to 1. That's not true. Okay, the 3 equal to 2, no. So here is the 1. 3 equal to 3. So we are going to assign number 16 to x. But again, this is augmented operator. So let me just rewrite it. It will look like this, x plus 16. So as you know, x is number 1. 1 plus 16, so x become number 17. Then we'll be here and print x. So x is going to be 17. Okay, here you go, 17. Okay, second part of the question, rewrite it using switch statement. So let me make a comments here. Switch. Again, it depends. Okay, so say A. So if A is 1, the first one, then we are assigning x plus equal to 5. Then here is the break. Okay. How many times we are doing it? Well, it depends on A is 1, 2, 3, 4, and this become default. Okay, so let me copy 4 times, 3 more times. My next is 2, 3, and then 4. Okay, is 2. Then we are assigning number 10 is equal to 3. Then we are assigning 16 is 4. Assigning 4. One more to do, that invalid value over A, which is default. Okay, if it's default, anything rather than 1, 2, 3, 4, we call it as a default. Then we say invalid value of A. Of course, we need a break. Okay, then of course we have to print. Let's try whether it works or not. Suppose to print number 17. Here we go, number 17. That's all. Thank you.